Hello everyone. Let's start with the 25th question. A company manufactures three kind of calculator A, B and C in its two factory 1 and 2. The company has got an order from manufacturing at least 400 calculators of kind A, 4000 of kind B and 4800 of kind C. And the daily output of I1 is 50 calculators and 50 calculators of B and 30 of C. The daily output of factory 2 is of 40 calculators of kind A or 20 of B and 40 of kind C. And the cost per day to run factory 1 is 12,000 and for factory 2 is 15,000. How many days we have to find the days to the two factories have to be in operation to produce the order with the minimum cost. Let's formulate this problem as LLP and solve it graphically. Now come to the solution part. Let the two factories 1 and B 1 and second be in operation for x and y days respectively to produce the order with the maximum cost. Then the LLP must be minimized cost z equals to 12,000 x plus 1500 y. And the required equation from these are the equation that we made from these conditions. First we will get 50x plus 40y greater than equals to 6400 or 5x plus 4y greater than equals to 640. Now second will be 50x plus 20y greater than equals to 4000 or 5x plus 2y greater than equals to 400. Similarly for third equation 30x plus 40y greater than equals to 4800 or 3x plus 4y greater than equals to 480. And the last condition is xy greater than equal to 0. These are the equations that we formed from the statement of question. Now vertices of A are 0, 200 or B are 32, 120. For C it's 80 by 60 and dy 160 by 0. This comes from solving the value of x and y by by solving value of x and y, and we put the and we got the coordinates of A, B and C and D. And the cost of A would be rupees 30,000 3 lakh 30 lakh, and for B is 21 lakh 84,000. And similarly we will find the value of cost of C, which will be 18 lakh 60,000, which will be minimum of all the cost. And the value cost of D factory is 19 lakh 20,000.